Well, here's the other part of Copper Creek, looking upriver. It's really low. I followed this trail. Guess the trail goes down there. I see some bedrock. Let's take a little trip here. Hey, someone put a rope here. Oh, I think I remember this. I think this was where you could come down and, oh, watch me fall. Someone made a little thingy there. Big old bedrock here. I think at one time, a long time ago, we tried panning down here. I think. I don't know. Don't remember. Sorry about the video. I left my walking stick somewhere. I don't know what to do. After that little fiasco with the dogs just upriver, rescuing 2 of them, kind of wore me out. This is Copper Creek. Oh, there's a rope someone put up over there. Fancy rocks. Just taking a look. Look, see. Copper Creek, Upper Molalla, German Shepherd. It's pretty low. That over there is generally falls. The falls come down there. Right now, I'd be underwater if it was winter, a regular winter. Anyways, just a short doe video. Now it's time to go back up to the truck. Wow, here's Copper Creek. There's a climb getting down here. That's upriver. Truck's up there. The dogs are cooling off. It's going to be one hell of a climb back out. You can see all the bedrock. Be nice if you could bring a dredge down here. It's on the club's claim.